In today's video, I am going to teach you how to punch lunchtime manually in Zoho People. This is useful when you forgot to punch your lunch break, or when you need to correct a break entry so your attendance record matches your actual workday. The process is done inside the attendance area, and you will add a break by manually entering the start and end time. Start by signing in to Zoho People and making sure you are on the main dashboard. On the left side of the screen, locate the sidebar menu. From there, click Attendance. This section is where Zoho People stores your daily check-in and check-out information, along with any breaks you take during the day. Once you are in attendance, go to the top menu and select Views. From the options available, choose List View. List View makes it easier to find and open the specific day you want to edit, because it shows your attendance entries in a clear list format. Now find the entry for the current day. Look for the line that shows your check-in and check-out time. Click directly on that check-in or check-out time for today. This opens the detailed view for the day, where you can add or adjust time logs. In the detail area, click the option labeled plus add break. In some accounts, you may see this labeled as manual log instead. Either way, you are looking for the button that lets you add a break period to the day. After you click it, you will see fields for break start and break end. Carefully enter the time your lunch break began and the time it ended. Take a moment to double check that you are selecting the correct times and the correct part of the day, since accurate entries affect your total hours. If your organization uses a specific time format such as 12-hour or 24-hour time, make sure your entry matches that format. When everything looks correct, click Submit. Zoho People will save the break and update your attendance record for the day. That covers everything you need to know.